What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
It's truly a great day today if you're a Tellurian shareholder. I've made countless videos on Tell stock in the past, and finally in the last couple of days, it's paid off in a major way. Tell stock was 14% up yesterday, and we're up over 20% today in pre-market hours. Now, if you're new to Tellurian stock, here's a quick summary about what this company is about. Tellurian is committed to supplying energy to the global market with a priority on decreasing urban pollution, reducing worldwide carbon emissions, and slowing the pace of climate change. Tellurian is developing natural gas infrastructure efficiently and responsibly, providing consumers with a more reliable, cleaner energy supply and enabling advances in renewable energy alternatives. Charif Souki is the executive chairman of the board, and this guy is seen as the Elon Musk of the LNG space. He set up a $20 billion company in Cheniere and is now trying to do the same with Tellurian, which is why this is such an exciting opportunity with a huge upside potential. I'll include a link to a playlist in the description below, so feel free to check that out if you need more DD. So why is Tellurian stock popping off today? Well, we finally got a commercial deal announcement. Tellurian Inc. and Gunvor Singapore Pte Limited announced today a liquefied natural gas LNG sales and purchase agreement for 3 million tons per annum for a 10-year period, indexed to a combination of two indices, the Japan-Korea Marker JKM and the Dutch Tidal Transfer Facility TTF, netted back for transportation charges. The LNG would be delivered free on board from Tellurian's Driftwood LNG, a 27.6 MTPA liquefaction facility proposed near Lake Charles, Louisiana in the United States Gulf Coast. President and CEO said Tellurian intends to market up to 10 MTPA of LNG in our first phase on a JKM, TTF or blended price basis, as our integrated model provides the flexibility to offer this valuable product. We welcome Gunvor, the largest independent global trader of LNG volumes, to Driftwood and look forward to providing a cleaner fuel to meet growing global energy needs and enable energy access. Executive Vice President, LNG Marketing and Trading added, our business model creates significant value for Tellurian at today's LNG prices. This agreement represents the equivalent of approximately $12 billion in revenue over the 10-year term of the agreement. This is massive news. Just this agreement alone is equivalent to $12 billion in revenue over the 10-year term of the agreement. And Tellurian's current market cap is just $1.2 billion. And there are going to be more deals coming soon. So congratulations to all those Tellurian longs. You guys truly have those diamond hands we keep talking about, because this was no easy journey and there's a lot more to come. That's it for today's video. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.